Hey guys, got a package in the mail. This is the car from Jesse B Motors. He had the giveaway. It came today on Sunday. It came, so I'll open it up and show you guys what he sent me for winning. There it is, the Haiboxing Rampage. I picked the Rampage. It's a cool little car. It's a hobby grade. It's a 1/18 scale. It's kind of a cool car, the Gallop. The Hailstorm is what he's got. He had this one. And then the Ratchet. There's a few cars they got here. So I picked, looks like I got the blue. The blue Rampage is what it looks like is marked, so that's cool. The only thing is on when he did his, the shocks are not oil filled, so that's like probably the first thing I'm gonna get for this. Get it so it's not so bouncy. But other than that, it looks cool. So this is awesome. Awesome. And there's the back, a box. I don't know if you guys want to read that. You can go look online. Look it up if you want for all the major specs. This is just a kind of a quick unboxing, since I believe he did an unboxing too. I'm pretty sure he did, if I recall. So yeah, I would go check out his YouTube channel. It's Jesse B Motors. Oh yeah, cool. Look at that thing. It's it's a 1/18. Okay. So it's close to the same. That's the Hobby or WL Toys. That one, I'm just doing a little comparison next to it. Cool. Comes with some stickers. Put on the body, grill. Cool. A little manual. Warranty card. Shows you your parts list, order new parts, look them up and get some new parts for it. So they do have a few aftermarket parts for it that I've seen. Here's a little remote. A tiny thing from big old monster hands. So it looks like there's a steering reverse, slow and normal. And you have your on and off. I assume this is going to be your steering right here. And it looks like a couple 2 AA batteries. That's kind of nice. Doesn't take very many batteries to run it. I like that. Looks like your charger. It's a balanced plug charger and a USB port. Oh, cool. I didn't realize that. Looks like some lights there for some. Must go somewhere on the truck. I'll open that up in a second. Open this up now. So yeah, okay, so it gives you directions and all that, how to put the lights in, and a couple zip ties. That's cool. I didn't realize it came with lights. Huh. And there's body pins in there too. Extra ones, because the body's on there, so yeah. Okay, cool. Gives you a whole set, 4 more body pins. And those look like the directions on how to use the charger. Okay. Let's cut the bottom of the box here. Pull the truck out. Make sure there's nothing down in there. This little thing's cool. Yeah. So that's nice. Nice. I like the body, the blue body. It's a great pick. Tires feel a little tough, but seem to grip pretty good on here. But yeah, this is covered in the coating, so if you guys do that, make sure you peel the coating off before you put your stickers on, because otherwise they're just going to come right off. All right, let's get this body off. Let's check out the inside of this thing. There you go. Look at that little bad boy. There's that and this. Okay. Do have these you got to watch out for. This one popped over. Just so I guess those are just so it doesn't make as much noise, huh? So it doesn't rattle around, which is kind of smart. Quiets the body down. Looks like you got an on-off switch here. Push, sounds like. That's neat. Little tiny servo. And you have the battery. I think this is just a regular battery. It's not a lipo. And they make the writing on these things so small you can't see it. 7.4 volt. Oh, it's a Li-ion battery. 800 milliamps. Can we see that? So from Jesse B Motors, he had that in his you can put a lipo, and he showed on his video how to change that and raise this up, pull the screw up and raise this up here. Then you could unscrew this one to get it a little higher and put in a lipo, but it didn't seem to change the speed too much. So we'll give that a test too. We'll run it with this one. I believe I have a charger for that. I thought I didn't, but I do. So I believe that's just a JTS plug. Yeah, okay. That's what I charge my little batteries for my controller with. My Fly Sky GT5. So cool. That's that is awesome. Be a fun little truck to play with. But yeah, these are just spring shocks, just spring, nothing else. So, oh, must be the lights must go in there, huh? Oh, that's gonna be fun trying to get those into that. Look like, yeah. So those little lights go into these little, right here. There must be a plug here. Yeah, there it is. It's an extra plug. The 2-in-1 receiver is what it is. Receiver, ESC. And I keep knocking all these little things off. I'll have to glue those on. But yeah, little servo. Huh. That's a cool little car. Cool little thing. Yeah, it's a little bouncy, but like I said, they have shocks. Shocks online, you can buy, oil fill them, and we'll do that. So, but it looks good. It looks like a fun little car. Everything looks like it's nice little bumper that bends a little bit, so if you run into something, checking things out, guys. Okay, and he even did the drive lines, so we might do that. Might check those out and do those. So got metal ones for his, but yeah, at least these are, man, they're pretty close to being straight. WL Toys, man, they were all whacked out. So, and even the tension is nice and tight on these ones. A little loose on this one, but it's not bad for these little cars. Nice. Appreciate that, Jesse. This thing's cool. Like the blue. Like the blue. It's got claws on it. You got a little scratch on this one. That's all right. Going back here too. That's all right. Looks good. Gives you some information on the body, I guess. The model number 18859E. So there you go, guys. Thank you, Jesse. I appreciate it. And you can down here below in the description, you'll find his link. I'll put his link down there for you, so you guys can go watch his videos. He's got one of these, a crawler, a boat. He's got all sorts of stuff. So go check out his channel. Subscribe to him. He was, last time I looked, he was almost at 500 subs. So he's getting there. He's moving up. Go check him out. Thanks, guys. And thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Subscribe to Jesse's channel. And we appreciate you guys. Thanks. Y'all have a good day.